This is page 12, introducing you to CDE groups, or what they call CDE groups. CDE is referring to note names. Remember, A through G are note names. Different authors will group things together differently. Understand that notes are not grouped. There's no group of notes. No, this is just the way these authors have decided to teach you the names of the notes on the keys on the piano. Because there's 7 of them you got to know. I already told you A. That's in the upper middle of a group of 3. And if you remember A, you can remember B. It's the top. Well, that would be 2 of them. Well, this is 3 of them, and they're surrounding a group of 2 black keys. Any doesn't matter. And it's the notes around them. And that's C, D, E. That just goes up the alphabet. So we went A, B. Now we got C, D, E. And then when you get F and G, you got them all. How about that? However, this authors have decided to approach it this way. Learn these 3. And I'm saying you just as well know these 2. But as far as the book goes, you need to know these 3. C is at the bottom of a group of 2. Any group of 2. C, 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 C. D is in the middle of a group of 2. D, 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 D. Okay, and E is at the top of a group of 2. How you go about remembering them is up to you. Some people do use stickies to tell them the name of the notes. I don't encourage that unless you're not getting it. Otherwise, I suggest just drill yourself on the names of the notes. In a group of 2, just play a note in any group of 2. See if you can say the name of it instantly. You don't think about it. You need to instantly. You can always count up from A. Remember where A was in a group of 3 is here. You can always count up from A. So what is this? Well, I can start with A and go out. A, B, C, D, E. It's an E. It's another way of doing it. And that's the group of 3s, or what they're calling a group of 3. At the bottom of page 12, there's a little improvisation there that you can try if you'd like. You're going to use the notes C, D, E somewhere. I suggest you not come down here, because this part, the music that's playing in here, stay away from that. You can come up here or both. One hand, you use 2 hands for as I'm concerned. You just play these notes in any order, in any rhythm, whatever you want to do. You make up a melody. I'm going to play this music at the bottom of the page, and you can make up the melody if you want to. I'll give us 4 counts, and then we'll try it together. 1, 2, ready, go.